In some way, I am one of the co-founders, I guess. So I've worked in technologies that help organizations to share data. And when I heard about the Strand-Aldrich redevelopment project, I saw it as an opportunity to explore some of those technologies and frameworks to make a difference for the institution that I work in and for my own research and life as well. I hope we will have a better understanding of how different stakeholders around Strand-Aldrich understand data and make suggestions about its potential uses. I hope we will also have a better understanding of the challenges that this Data Springboard project would entail, and we will have an action plan to build a data institution that would allow this data to be shared and used.